Alright, so we're on the way to the gym, and this is day 3 of moving, and it is Saturday, and it is freaking cold outside. This weather was very unexpected for us to move during this time, but we're making it work. How do you feel?
Cold. I feel cold.
Cold. Look at that. There's ice in the trees. This is me, layered up. I'm currently wearing 3. Well, long sleeve, this little mini jacket, and then another one, and then this another windbreaker. And I'm layered up. I have my joggers, and then some other leggings, and then double socks. All right, see you guys there. Alrighty, this is our exit. For those of you that want to know, 10. What do you think about this big old U-turn that you have to take to get to the gym?
I hate it. I hate it.
You gotta go all the way down, and the gym's like what, right there?
Further down that way a little bit.
So that's where the warehouses are, and that's our old gym. And we're still driving to go all the way around. All right, here's a U-turn. We're finally getting there. Oh shoot! Whoa. Well, this car's going a little too slow. We're gonna report you. All right, look at this U-turn we gotta make. Still gotta go all the way across. All right, here we are. That's our old gym right over there. And then just back here, there's this one, and then ours is this one right here in the corner. There it is. This is my office. What we have so far, kind of messy, but making it work. So today we are going to cut some turf, spread it out, make a strip. Hopefully it comes out how we want it to. Over here, kind of set up our cardio room, which is going to be a lot of machines.
Kind of dark in there, guys.
Yeah, we're going to get that light repaired. So far we're not sure how the floor is going to look, but we're still trying to figure out how the setup is going to be. But this is what we're thinking. Cables that we need to install from the other gym, and yeah, that's basically it. Clean up, just deep clean a little bit.
How you feeling?
Excited
And cold.
and cold. Excited and frozen and cold. I wish I had like a million arms so I could do a lot of things at once.
I wish I could just teleport.
Yeah, but yeah, look how cold it is.
I don't think you can see it. We're waiting on you guys. Let's go.
What do y'all need us to help with? The guys right now are cutting the turf. Okay. And then the girls are just organizing the office. All right, how are you feeling this morning?
I'm feeling good. I'm ready. I'm ready to get this gym rolling.
All right. Chris is getting the ladder. Well, bam. I'm pretty excited and grateful for everybody that's out here helping us. Thanks, you guys, and wanted to take the time to appreciate everyone that has given us a lot of love and support. And we honestly would have not been able to move to a bigger gym if it wasn't for you guys. And I love you all. Strength and endurance is going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see what 2021 has in store for us.
Well, they put them together.
Do something funny. We need good content. Guys trying to figure it out.
You got maybe that one, that larger one, that one that's loose.
How many Mexicans does it take? Guys,
Try that or that?
Takes 4 Mexicans and 100. We need about
all right, here goes Irma. That's scary. I don't know how I feel about this.
Alright, Andrea, you are, my life is depending on your strength.
Oh god. Brian, come here. Hold the ladder real quick. Hold the ladder real quick so I can pause the vlog. Alright, Irma's up there trying to get them flags down. I don't know how she's doing it. Fallen.
I usually want to do this, but I'm doing it for the gym.
She's a boss babe, guys. How do you feel, Brian?
Cold.
Cold?
Look at these strong men SNE gains. If you want to be this strong, come to our classes.
Love you. Sound like you're doing an ad, bro.
I am. Oh my gosh, look at Brian over there being Spider-Man. Go, Brian, be very careful, please. You got insurance? So it is about 8:30 p.m. and we just finished doing a lot of things. We're about to close out, clock out.
I stole your poncho, bruh.
It's been a good day and back to the grind tomorrow.
Thanks to everyone who came out and helped. Peace.
Peace. Lunch break. What are you eating?
Don't be showing this.
What's going on, Adriel? You okay with
Follow me
it?
on my channel, guys.
Helper in 1 hour is already done.
AdrielTrades.com.
All right, so it is Saturday, February what?
14.
February 14th, Valentine's, and I'm looking messed up right now.
We are looking
We
little
were
rough.
supposed to finish cleaning and hanging up the mirrors today at the gym, but this cold blizzard isn't helping. And we are just stuck at home doing nothing. So we will see how the rest of the days are until Tuesday or Wednesday. We heard it wasn't gonna stop till Wednesday.
What is it, mommy? What is it, mommy? What is it?
I'm working out. No gym, no problem.
¡Wow! Lo te vas a enfermar.
Amy's one bottle of wine down, and she's
okay,
working on the other one.
Don't know.
Playing some charades.
Door. No, when they come deliver, door. Door down. Yeah, down.
No, well. She's a human. She's a human.
Again, down.
She's a human. She's not even a dog. She's a human.
You suck, you're annoying. I was like the movie White.
Nah, she doesn't. I explain so good for her. You don't know how to explain.
Yes,
good.
I do. Oh my god.
Skip. Skip. How do I explain it? Skip. Skip. Skip.
Oh my.
Skip. Oh my. I think that was a movie. Oh, it's this vegetable that you can put in like chicken salad.
The letter A.
Nah, you can do that.
I'm doing this.
Nah.
It's a part of your body on your arm, not your hands, knuckles, they're actually
Elbows.
yeah, down. Day 3.
All right.
No, it's day.
It
It went out at 2 a.m.
2 in the morning. So it's
Oh, sorry.
Listen
Day
to-
2.
So this is day 2, but day 3 locked in. This is day 3 though, locked in, right? Day 3.
Today will be night 3, day 2.
yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Day
I'm
3,
already
night
going
2.
crazy right now.
When it was 2 in the morning, it was 24 hours.
Yeah, I have not ate in like 4 days. I'm
Show them your boat. Show them your boat.
Ew.
Yeah, we've been having a hard time here.
Tell them how I haven't showered in 4 days. Me and Adriel.
So Adriel came out that we had a generator at JD and he's barely telling us right now. How do you feel?
I feel useful because we're gonna go get it and
Maybe it depends how
I
we
think
all.
should be okay.
Abby's looking at you like I froze myself. Benji's giving us kisses. Ruru.
Should we start looking for shelter places?
My brother David. All right, excuse the mess. How do you feel with this weather?
Tired.
We're gonna go pick up the generator. Like with what we could find at the gas station. Everything was wiped out, but snacks.
Got the generator.
This is my mom. How do you feel about this weather? How do you feel about this weather? How do you feel?
Very terrible, terrible. Hombre, pero el piso está bien duro. Shit.
I'm not sure why he's doing that. Mom, Chris no tiene nada que hacer. He's scooping the snow. Love, what are you doing?
Shoveling.
For what?
I don't know, I'm bored. Dude, if you ever see this, asshole, you didn't invite us over.
Okay, with 5 dogs. No one's gonna want us over there with 5 dogs.